Hey, AP Stats, Mr. Ellinger here, and I'm just going over the assignment for the first night just because it was a little chaotic at the end, and I want to make sure everything was clear for you. So you've got in Teams, they're having us post all assignments in Teams. So in Teams, I've got it posted, AP Stats, homework, 831, and then here's what the assignment is. Now, you don't actually have to do anything in Teams. I don't want you to submit assignments in Teams or upload them or whatever. I'm only using Teams to post the assignments because that's what they've asked us to do. Okay. Your homework due Thursday at 7:45. The date is always listed at 7:45. If it's just like paper and pencil work, like book work, then 7:45 is fine. I mean, then before class is fine. But if it's ever anything like AP Classroom or something else digital, I might want to check the answers and see how you did before I teach class. And so I really want you to have the assignments done by 7:45. Any digital assignments have to be done by 7:45, the day they're due, because then it's effective for me and I can have a good class and I can cater the class towards the things that you had trouble with. Anyway, so this read through the syllabus, come to class with any questions, do that whenever you want, as long as it's done by Thursday. Check out the answer key for the quiz you took. If you remember, that's I'm just in OneNote. In OneNote, you can find that, and it's under the content library, answers to quiz for Unit 1, answers to quiz, and there's my answer key. I didn't send this out because I didn't think you necessarily need it. You could look at it once and then you're done, and so anyway, that's why I put it in the content library. Anything in the content library is open, so if you want to copy it and put it in your notebook, that's fine. It doesn't bother me, but I just didn't want to dump more stuff on you than you needed. Okay? So that's the answer key right there. I haven't checked your guys's yet, and every once in a while I make a mistake on the answer key, so they haven't been vetted. Get all the equipment as listed in the syllabus. Mostly it's a calculator. Make sure you got the calculator and stuff. And then do the personal progress check in AP Classroom. So those people who didn't get into AP Classroom, you got to make sure you do that and do it in plenty of time. So in AP Classroom, I just did the Unit 1 personal progress check, the multiple choice part A, because we haven't done all of Unit 1. We've done a lot of it, but we haven't done all of it, and so there's a little more to do. You can actually see one already came in, 4% submitted. Oops, no, I hit a button there. Didn't mean to. Here, I'll try this again. There we go. Okay. Oh no, it updated. 8% submitted. 2 people have done it, so it's not that bad. It's just going over the questions that you had to do. It might not cover absolutely everything, but it'll give us a good starting point. All right, so that's what's due. If you didn't get into AP Classroom in class, then please make sure that you get in tonight so that you can do the problems. And I don't know if the assignments will show up. In fact, I think they won't show up when you join the class if you join late. So the people who aren't in this class right now, I know there's 3. We need you to get into AP Classroom, and then you need to email me that you're in so I can assign the personal progress check to you, because it probably won't be assigned automatically. Okay. Okay. And so anyway, what will happen on Thursday is you'll know your syllabus. You'll have looked at the answer key. That's all, and you'll have all your equipment. You'll be ready to go. And when I go to AP Classroom at 7:46, then I can see how you did in the personal progress check. One thing to know about the PPCs, personal progress checks, is that the AP people actually require us not to score them for grades. Like they say, like when you become when you sign on as an AP teacher, they say the personal progress checks are for formative education, formative assessment, which means learning that helps you learn or helps you get it down, that helps identify where your weaknesses are, and and you can learn from them and stuff. But it's not supposed to be summative, summing up how you did. So I'll never use the personal progress checks as I'll never grade it like number you got correct and that determines your points. I'll only do it. I won't use it for that. So use it as an opportunity to see, okay, how much of this stuff do I know? What things do I need some help with, and stuff like that. Okay, and take your time with it. I'd say about 18 problems, I'd say, about half an hour to 45 minutes. Like, some of you might read faster and stuff, and it's multiple choice, so some of it might be kind of quick. But multiple choice questions on the AP generally are about 2 minutes a problem. And so I'm just 18 times 2 kind of thing. So anyway, that gives you a sense. Like, make sure you're reading through the questions and not just clicking on the first thing that looks pretty good. All right, I think that's it. So I just want to make sure the assignment was clear. Due Thursday. It was great to meet you all today, and we'll see you then. All right.